I challenged myself to do 30 days of barre classes, and today I'm showing you my results. Thank you to Playtech Sport for sponsoring today's video.
The pranks coming.
Day one, this is what my body looks like. Don't fully love it, but also don't hate it. I'm really at peace with my body, but I think I didn't really work out all winter and I might look a little bit softer. So I definitely want to tone everything up for the summer, and hopefully I can do that within 30 days. I don't know, that would be great. So basically, I was super lazy over the winter, wasn't eating great, and just needed a refresh. My biggest goal was to tone my body, hopefully my abs especially, and so that's why I chose to do barre, because it's great for toning. So if you don't know what barre is, some people describe it as like a ballet dance conditioning kind of class, and that really intimidated me because I've never done ballet or dance in my life. I'm not trying to sign up for a ballet class here. But don't worry, it's not a dance class. It is a conditioning class. If anything, it reminds me of Pilates, but it does have a few ballet-inspired positions. So barre is a total body workout that targets specific muscle groups with isometric movements in high reps. Basically, if you went to the gym and you were trying to burn out, let's say your biceps here, you'd probably grab some dumbbells, maybe 15-pounders, and just do some bicep push things. I don't know, I don't go to the gym anymore. You do like 12 reps and your muscles would feel pretty burnt. In barre, you would take much lighter weights, like 2 or 3 pound weights. You do a bunch of different small movements for like 2 to 3 minutes instead. I know it sounds weird. I know it sounds like a piece of cake. It's not. It is so hard, but it's super efficient at burning out that muscle that you wanted to target. The reason that I like it better is because when I used to go to the gym and grab these heavy weights, I would set them down afterwards and I'd feel like a kink in my neck or my back, and I'd always hurt myself. Even when I was trying so hard to have good form, I just could not get it right. And with barre, it's such light weights, and sometimes it's just your body weight, that I've never hurt myself. I've only gotten stronger and felt better. In a typical barre class, you can expect it to require socks, a few light sets of weights, a resistance band, and a ball. And these are some of the types of exercises that you may encounter. In a class, you target your biceps, triceps, abs, thighs, and glutes using the equipment. There really is so many different exercises. No class feels the same. So there's only so much I can teach you in a video, but I would encourage you to go into a class near you to learn more about it. Now let's get into my 30-day journey. I need a shower and a nap. I really struggled through that class. I've just realized I'm really out of shape. Near the end, like the last 15 minutes, I totally lost steam. My abs were just giving away, like they couldn't go any longer. I was like, oh. Day 2 of barre. My body is sore, but not too sore. I'm really looking forward to going to class today because my body feels tighter. About to head to my 7th barre class. I just finished my 8th class in 9 days. So yesterday I did take a day off, but other than that, I did 7 days in a row. 1 day off, back to 7 more days in a row. I think with this challenge, I'm gonna give myself a day off after every 7 days, because for your body to get stronger, you do need a rest day. So it's not gonna be totally 30 days in a row, but it's gonna be like, it's gonna be a lot. I'm very excited to announce that I finished my 8th class, because it actually says on the website that you can expect to start seeing results in just 8 classes. Here we have it. Day 11. I do not want to go right now. I am tired. Day 12. Hopefully I'm not late. I left a little later than I usually. I just got back from my 17th barre class. Yeah, day 19 of class today. Good morning, everyone. Today I'm headed to my 20th class. And I got my period, so I'm gonna be packing some of these with me. This is the Playtech Sport tampon, my tampon of choice, and apparently everyone else's too, because it is the #1 tampon brand for athletic purposes. Good to go. go. Playtech Sport has a 360-degree design with flex fit technology, which moves with the way that you move. So whether you're swimming or running or doing bar like me, you know you're gonna be protected because it's moving with the way you move to make a protective leak barrier. So I feel really comfortable using these while I work out. And while I did sports growing up too, I did gymnastics and diving and everything, and these were the go-to. So you can check out the link below. Playtech's play on my voice, it's early, okay? I'm going to an early class. You can check out the link below, playtechsplan.com, to see how you can save more on Playtech Sport. Now I'm gonna go #play on my 20th class. Thanks again to Playtech Sport for sponsoring this portion of the video. I just finished up day 24. I went to the gym this time and did my own little do-it-yourself bar workout. One of the trainers there asked if I was a trainer, so I must have looked like I was doing something right. Day 27, let's go. Just finished my 28th class today. I took a noon one, it was really nice. Now I got some lunch. Number 30, we did it. I did it. You didn't do it, I did it. I freaking did it. 30 classes. Now finally what everyone's been waiting for. I know the reason you clicked on this video, you want to see the before and after. Originally, I wanted to do 30 classes in 30 days. I quickly realized that was just not gonna be possible. Life gets in the way. So this kind of morphed into just doing 30 classes as soon as I could. And it ended up taking me 47 days to do that. Take that for what it is. Maybe that's disappointing to you, but for me, that is still the most I've worked out ever. So even just giving myself that goal, like I still ended up working out more than I would have if I wouldn't have given myself that goal. So I'm really proud of that. I can't believe it. The difference I feel in my body is night and day. I forgot that when I work out, I sleep through the night better, but I feel good mentally and physically. And I think that's the most important part, that you feel good. And after just one class, I feel good. I feel the most beautiful in the world, not when I have all my hair and makeup done and I'm wearing a cool outfit or something. I literally feel the most beautiful after doing a bar workout. And I accept my body and I love it. And that is seriously, it is always such a good feeling. But I'm so proud. Like I can do more push-ups. I can hold a plank for way longer. I can do pull-ups now. I can do pull-ups, yeah. Honestly, I don't think I see that much of a difference in my body when I just look at it, but the way I feel about it is completely different. Like I went from being like, I'm a little bit, the winter, to being like, yep, that's right, this is me, happy with it. So I think the biggest thing that changed, honestly, was my mindset. Like, I don't think I even look that much different, but I feel a lot stronger, and I'm so happy with my body now, and yeah, I know that's probably not the response you want to hear, but it's the truth, it's real. My closing thoughts, I would not challenge you to do this because I just don't think it's doable. I would say like start with 15 or 20 classes, don't start with 30. Like the first 15, I was like so on it. So if you're gonna do a challenge like this, I would challenge you to just start a little bit smaller because a whole 30 days, it's so hard. So that's it, you guys. That is my crash course into bar workout classes. Thanks again to Playtech Sport for sponsoring today's video. Once again, you can go to playtechsplayon.com to check out more on how you can save on your tampons. And yeah, I would totally encourage you to go to a bar class, try it out, because you might love it. And if you don't love it, try it out again, because you can't only try something once. Try it at least like 3 times and you might end up loving it, okay? So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.